The most exciting thing that we have is when a home is under construction. While we walk through this home, we have the ability to see it before installation. Come take a look. Here we have drywall getting ready to be prepped. You see the sink is here. We've got markings where everything is listed. Super exciting. Let's take a look upstairs. Here we're in the loft of the maple floor plan. You'll see we have 9-foot ceilings. We put those in all of our homes just to make it feel elevated and airy for you. Come see our homes at Fullerton Cove, where we have 8-foot ceilings, spacious floor plans. We're excited to see you.